Same concept, everything flipped. Look at the house, look at the pictures, you see that in the back, pow, boom. But the numbers are different, but the money coming different too. So let's go. Hello. Oh, same thing here. Don't forget this, ladies and gentlemen. I went up. This is a pretty tall little area right here. This feels like a little taller gable than the other one, to be honest with you. But this feels sturdy. This feels like bum, 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 bum. I'm home. So welcome home, man. Lakeith buys houses and land. Click the link below. And let's go. Come on in. Through the front door. First thing I want to point out is the kitchen on the right hand side. Everything's looking good. Lights over here. Same concept, same appliances. White with the microwave, brand new. I got the stove. Oh, every time I do that, I'm telling you, every time I do that, I think to myself, that looks good. That looks amazing. I like how that's fancy. You get that from me, Lakeith, because Lakeith buys houses and land. I'm not new to it. I'm true to it. Anyway, come in here, check out the dishwasher. It's ready to go. When you come in the kitchen, you cook your food. You make a mess. You go to the sink. You go to the dishwasher, clean it up. Come on through here. Got the cabinets. I want you to see all this. That looks good. Even just how the white goes to brown like that, like that's what you get here, man. Nice stuff, man, for a nice price. Come in here, we got the pantry, you got nothing going, no food, no ham, no burger, no nothing, zero. Anyway, it will be food when the people move in. Come on through here, same thing like the other one, just on a different side. Got the washer and the dryer. Boom, come through here, check out the flooring. Tell me that don't look good. Now I feel like breezy or something. You should be in tropics. Yeah, let's go. Come on through here. Let's go. Oh, garage is clean. Garage is clean. Garage is clean. We're coming through here. Hot water heater. This is a one-car garage. Why is it a one-car garage, Lakeith? Glad you asked. It's a one-car garage because I couldn't put a two-car garage. Let's go in here. Now, but real talk, the reason why I couldn't put a two-car garage is because the lot isn't wide enough. And I'll do a YouTube piece on that, and we'll go over that at another time. But that is a real statement. Anyway, I want you to look at this floor. It feels good. It feels plush. Walking through here, feels great. Let's go. Before I go to the backyard, let's go to the master bedroom. Flip side on the other one, the master bedroom's on that side. So as you come in here, boom, I want to point out the lines in the carpet. Yes, we just had this done. So as you come in here and the lines, you know what, as I do this, I feel nostalgic. I feel almost, because the one that I did in the middle, I got a YouTube video that I showed how I went from 15,000 to 180,000 because that was the ARV for the one in the middle. It's actually built exactly like this. I'll show you that on the outside. They're actually turned the same direction. But anyway, boom, closet. Go in here, do what you gotta do, get yourself together. Hold on a second, let me get on the lights so y'all can see everything. Boom, boom, check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. Flip side. Oh man, my team, we gotta get better. We don't have the mirror up yet, but it don't matter. Look at this. We got everything sitting right here to go in here. I got this in here. It's all uniform. And I did this in every single product because it is important to use don't get caught up in, as an investor, I'll be honest with you, I don't get real emotional about different products or different projects. I kind of just stick to the script. If it's a certain number and it looks good, you know, you get a better price when you buy in bulk versus buying one of this, one of this, one of this, one of this, one of this. So you'll see that in a lot of my projects that I can buy this and get a discount for it because I'm buying so many because I use it and it looks good. So think about that, man. Make the money work for you. Don't work for the money. Anyway, come in here. I got the same plan on the, what is this? The shower, bath. It looks cool, looks great. Got the toilet in here. Come through here. Bathroom number 2. Same play on the bathroom in here. Got my mirror in here. Remember what I said about buying a lot of. That's not even a real word, but it's a real word. A lot of. Check it out. It looks good though. A lot of these right here. Same thing, same situation. I think I got this from Lowe's, same pools. Anyway, let's go to bedroom number 2. Got the lines in the carpet. Once again, everything is new. Let's look and see what the view looks like from this area right here. Oh, you don't even know you're in the hood with this, man. I didn't know where I was when I lifted up the window, to be honest with you. Like, what? Where is this? It's on Stevenson. Anyway, we're in Dallas Fort Worth, man. Home of the Cowboys. As you come through here, we got the closet. Looks nice in here, flows. This is bedroom number 2. And I want to point out again, I did not skimp at all. Do you see these baseboards? Do you see the borders? Do you see how high that looks? Like almost like you could stand on it and jump off of it and hit the carpet. It looks that nice. Like we spending money around here, man. No cheap stuff, only the good stuff. Anyway, come through here, got the lines in the carpet. Once again, this is bedroom number 3. Come right here, I got the closet. I like this door. This door makes me feel like something amazing is in here. So if this is your house, you're gonna have some nice clothes. Look how wide this door feels though. It feels like pretty big. Let's open it up. Bam! You got plenty of room from here to here to line up whatever you got going on. We got room for dresses, t-shirts, jackets, whatever you like. You know, we want you to be tight. Let's go to the backyard, man. It looks real good. They came through here, flattened all this, cleaned all this up. We're getting ready to do some fencing, a higher fence, kind of like this fence over here at this house over here next door. I got the cage over the AC unit, keep it protected, to keep it out of harm's way. But, oh, let me show you the landscaping. Let's go around here. It's becoming a lot easier to do these types of things only because once you do so many of anything, it becomes like practice. It's like you become very, very good at it, you know, and it's just repetition. And doing the same houses, if you ever wonder why in a neighborhood or a subdivision, like why your house look like my house on the inside? It might look different on the outside, but they do certain things on the outside, like instead of 2 windows, it'll be 1 big window or something like that, or change the brick color. But things are similar because they get a better price once they buy so much of the same stuff. They don't want to change it and make everything different because the price will be different. And at the end of the day, the people that are building the houses in multiple subdivisions, that are building hundreds and thousands of houses, they don't really have time to try to make each one different. Like they got 4, 5, 6 different plans and they running it, and they got certain options to choose from, and that's how they make their money, man. But you as a small investor, you don't have to be the big guys doing thousands and thousands of homes, but you can take the same model that they take and make it work for you, because that's what I'm doing. Anyway, as you come through here, you check out the landscaping in here. Got trash over there, you didn't throw that away, but got the landscaping right here. It looks real good, real groovy. Everything is amazing. I think we just build a real quality product. The understanding the financial side of this and how all this works, but at the end of the day, I'm real thankful. I'm real thankful to be in this position, to be able to do these things, to be able to create housing. You know what I mean? This was a concept once upon a time for people in my family. You know, my grandmother had houses, but she never built homes. Now I'm building these homes and I'm renting them out, and it feels amazing, man, just to be able to give people nice stuff for a nice price and know that it'll last. Know that it's not a shack. Know that it's not nothing that you wouldn't feel comfortable living in yourself if you had to. So that's what I'm about, man. Lakeith buys houses and land. I want to capture your attention. I definitely want to do that, but I want to give you good value and I want to entertain you. I want you to know that it's real, man. Anything can happen if you put your mind to it, because like I said earlier, I don't get on the roof and I don't lay shingles. I didn't do the garage door. I didn't lay the sod, but the money did. You got to think about that. If I can control that, then I can make things happen for myself that others may not be able to, because I'm in control of something that most people only dream of. So you have to really, really stay focused. Pay real close attention to detail and really try to make the most out of the moment when you have it. You know what I'm saying? Time ownership is really what I'm into. It's not even about the cash. I mean, we all need it, but we all don't want to work for it. So you have to create something that'll work for you. But owning the time to be able to do what you want to do, to be able to create YouTube videos and not have to go to work, to be able to spend time with your kids and go on vacations and go out to eat and just live life and not really be concerned with how you gonna finance it, because guess what? I build houses and land and they take care of all my luxuries. Everything I want. From the coats to the Rolexes to the designers. I'm just showing y'all it's real. But you gotta get the mindset. You really gotta understand that it's somebody like you doing this for real, like, and really making this happen, man, and living off this and feeling great about it, because I'm not giving trash, I'm giving good stuff, and you can see it for yourself. So click the link below and let's go, man. Lakeith buys houses and land.